Good morning, dear students. This is page number 45, 46, and 47 of your book. Today, we will learn greatest number. How to find out the greatest number. So, here, find the greatest number. The numbers are 203, 514, 629, 178. These numbers are there. Among all these numbers, you have to find out the greatest number. ये सारे नंबर दिए हुए हैं और इनमें से आपको ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर को फाइंड आउट करना है. So how will you find out the greatest number? Just see that numbers you have to write in the place value chart. You have to make 3 columns: ones, tens, hundred. In this place value chart, you have to write the number properly. Like this is, read it, 203. 203. So as 2 is in 100, 100, the place value 2 is 100. That's why 2. Then 0 is in tens place, 0, tens, and 3 is in ones place. Look at the next number, that is 514. So 5 is in 100 place. So you have to write in hundreds column. 1 is in tens. So 1 you have to write under T, and 4 you have to write in 4 ones column. 514. Next number is 629. So 6 is in 100 place, 2 is in tens place, and 9 is in ones place. 629. 178. 1 is in hundreds place, 7 is in tens place, 8 is in ones place. So we have written 178. Now to find out the greatest number, greatest means the biggest number, you have to compare the number which are given on 100 place. The numbers which are in the 100 place are 2, 5, 6, 1. So tell me children, among all these numbers, which is the greatest? Among 2, 5, 6, 1, which one is greatest? Which one is the biggest one? 6 is the biggest among all these. इन सब में 6 सबसे बड़ा है. So you have to take out the number 629. 629. You have to encircle that, and that is the 629 is the greatest number, right? Now here the book exercise is given. Encircle the greatest number. Among all these, 327, 409, 613, 225. All the numbers are given. You have to find out the greatest number. So the answer you have to write in your copy. This question you have to do in your copy. This question you have to do in your maths copy. Write at the page number and date. Page number 45. Write in your copy in this way. At the corner you have to write page number, that is 45. That heading is greatest number, that you have to write in the copy, greatest number, and put the date. Okay, so here encircle the greatest number. Now you have to compare among all these. So you can do as it is given in the example. This is, write the first question in the copy, encircle the greatest number. Then question you write the all these number. Then answer you have to do. I am showing you on this page only, but you have to do in the copy. So you have to make 3 columns, that is 100, tens, and ones. Now write all this number like 327. Okay, then 409. What is the next? 613. And below that you have to write 225. Here is no place, so I am writing here 225. Now compare all these numbers. All these numbers means this also. So which one is the greatest? 6 is the greatest. So your answer is 613. Right children? So you have to do in this form in your copy. Do remaining questions yourself. Then these flower pots are there. In these flower pots, some numbers are given, two numbers. Okay, so in among all this you have to find out the greatest one, and among this also you have to find out the greatest one and write in that given box. These two questions you can do in your book. So the procedure is same, that you have to find out the 100 place, the number given on 100 place, which one is the greatest, that number is the greatest among all that. Now look at the least number. Least number means the smallest number. Least number means the smallest number. The method is same for the least number. Here that some numbers are given: 437, 215, 329 and 227. Now you have to put in the place value chart 100 tens ones. Write all the numbers in that chart, like 437, 215, 329, 227. But in the previous question, in the last question, you was looking for the greatest number. Here, because the lesson is list number and the question is find the list number, that you have to read carefully. This is written list. So read the question carefully to understand what is asking in the question. List number. So put the numbers in the proper form. Then see the which one is the smallest in 100 place. Like 4, 2, 3, 2. So here you have find children, two numbers are smallest, like 2, 2. 2, 2. Both are 2, 2. So it will be difficult for you to understand that which one is the smallest, because 2 and 2 both are same. Here these two and these two both are same. So what you have to do to know that which one is the smallest? You have to go to the tens place. Now see the tens place. Compare all the numbers. 3, 1, 2, 2. So in tens place this one is the smallest. So you have to go to the this number. Like 200, the number is 15. So 215 is the smallest among all the number. If in 100 place you get any number, that any two numbers are same, so you have to go to the tens place. If in the tens place also you find the two numbers are same, so you have to go to the ones place. I am giving you example, like the number is 212, 14, 212, then 216 and 280. Now you will think that teacher, that here in 110 place everywhere the first two numbers like 110 place are same. So how will you find out that which one is the least? So you have to see the ones place 4. This ones place 4, 2, 6, 8. So among all this, which one is the smallest children? 2 is the smallest number. So this 212 is the least number among all that. Okay. If 100 place you get same, you have to go to the tens place. If tens place you are getting same, you have to see the ones place and write that number which one is the smallest. So here below some questions are given in that page and circle the list number. This is the exercise for you, that also you have to do in the copy by putting the heading list number and page number 46 in your copy. Then next exercise is write in ascending order. Same thing you have to do. You have to compare the number as you were comparing for the greatest and least number. Ascending order means children increasing order. Read it. Ascending order, increasing order. Increasing order means that you have to write the number small to big. Small to big. You have to arrange the number from small to big. Now the number is 513, 325, 611, 712. Now you have to find out the smallest number. As the 100 place, see at the 100 place, 5, 3, 6, 7. I'm only see the 100 place. Among all this, which one is the smallest? 5, 3, 6, 7. 3 is the smallest. So first of all, you have to write 325 in first column as the answer. Now, this is over. As the 325 we have written, put cross, that is over. Now you have to compare 513, 611 and 712. Among these three, which one is the smallest? in 100 place 5 is the smallest, so you have to write 513 in the next to 325, and this is also over. Then put it cross. Now compare 611 and 712. Now which is smallest? In 100 place 611 is smallest, so write 611, put cross, and at last 712 will remain. Complete it. So this is written in ascending order or increasing order. If it is ascending order, increasing order, that is same, that is small to big. So remaining question also you can do yourself. Here you can see 700, 700, both are same. So what you have to do? You have to go to tens place. Tens place is 2, 4. So 2 is the smaller than 742. Clear? Now next is decreasing order. Decreasing order means big to small. So you have to write the biggest number first, then the smallest number. So here the first number is 84, 339, 112, 809. Among that, which one is the biggest? Here children, 84 is the only 2-digit number. So 2-digit number is smaller than 3-digit number. 2-digit number 3-digit number से छोटा होता है. So that will be the smallest number among all that. वो सबसे छोटा number होगा इन सब में. Now see, 339, 112, 809. Look at the 100 place. You have to write the number in descending order. Descending order, decreasing order, that means big to small. Okay. Now see, here is 3, here is 1, here is 8. So which one is biggest in 100 place? 809 is the biggest. So you have to write first 809. That is over. So just to understand, you put it cross. That is done with your pencil. Now remaining numbers are 84, 339, 112. Now compare 339 and 112. 3 is bigger than 1 in the 100 place C. Okay, so this is 339 we have done, and 112 and 84. As it is 2-digit number, so you have to write it at last and then 112. Got it? So this way you have to complete the given exercise. Both the exercise you have to do in the copy. These two also you do in your maths copy. So here that work is over for you. Complete the work and show it to me. Thank you, children.